We're going to be discussing why Pinterest isn't working for you and what exactly you can do about it. So, the number one reason why Pinterest might not be working for you is that you haven't set up your Pinterest account correctly. There is a list of things that you have to do to set up your Pinterest account correctly. And to get started, you want to convert your account into a business account and then enable rich pins. The second reason why Pinterest might not be working for you is that you're not implementing SEO correctly. In 2021, you have to think of Pinterest as a search engine, just like Google. So you go to Google and you type in something and you're looking up things, you're researching and trying to find things online, right? It's the same thing with Pinterest. People will go in the search box and they will type in things that they are searching for. And those words that they type are keywords. And you want to be implementing those keywords in every place. So I talk more about this in the free lesson that I give you. You can go find it in the link in my bio. We cover how to implement those keywords and how to find those keywords so you can rank well on Google. So when people go and type in whatever they are searching for, they will find your pin and then click through to your website and bring you in blog traffic. So make sure you go and grab that free lesson because it is expiring tomorrow. The third reason why Pinterest might not be working for you is that you're not publishing new and fresh pins every single day to Pinterest. So what does new and fresh pins even mean? Well, you can either switch up the URL for your pin or you can change the image of your pin. And we're not going to be always switching up the URL. I highly recommend that you don't switch up the URL because your other pins have longevity and people are always going to be clicking on your old pins even though it's from forever ago. So you want to always change up the Pinterest image for each of your blog posts on a regular basis. So to make a pin fresh, you need to change the image, and I recommend just creating new images for each one of your blog posts every single week and pinning new fresh pins, like at least 5 new fresh pins every single day. The fourth reason why Pinterest might not be working for you is that you're still using hashtags. It's 2021 now, and Pinterest has officially said that hashtags on Pinterest don't work anymore. So don't use them. They might mark your account as spam. So if you're still using them, it's time to scratch them. Another reason why Pinterest might not be getting you the best results is that you're still pinning to Pinterest group boards that aren't really working for you. So whenever you add yourself to a group board, you want to make sure and check your analytics to see if your pins being pinned to that group board is actually bringing you in results. So make sure you're checking your analytics and seeing what group boards are working for you. If you are currently added to a bunch of different group boards, you might want to check your analytics and delete yourself out of them because this can have a negative effect on you. The sixth reason why Pinterest might not be working for you is that you're not creating clickable pins. So pins, they don't always have to be aesthetically pleasing. I mean, they do have to look good on occasion, but people will only click on your pin if you give them a reason to. People on Pinterest are searching for things that help them, that provide value to them. So you have to think about that when you're creating your pins. Is this pin going to be clickable? Are people going to actually want to click on this pin? So that's kind of a mixture of creating good Pinterest titles, creating good blog posts that people actually want to read, and on top of that, making it look nice. So, when a pin is pretty, obviously, like my eyes are going to go to a prettier pin, but it's mainly all about that Pinterest title and making a clickable Pinterest image. And that's another reason why you should go ahead to the link in my bio and grab the Pinterest free lesson because I will show you how to find what people are looking for and how to find those titles that people are going to click on. And the last and final reason why Pinterest might not be working for you is that you're not up to date on the 2021 Pinterest strategies. You have to have a current up-to-date strategy. If you are looking inside of old Pinterest like blog posts that people are uploading, you have to check the date of their Pinterest pins. So let's say like you're looking for a blog post on how to do Pinterest. If that blog post is from 2017, then you're ultimately going to be getting wrong information. You need to be looking up um, educational posts that are from 2021 and looking for 2021 Pinterest strategies. And sometimes they can be very misleading. People will just update the date that they posted the blog post just so people will click and not think that it's the 2017 strategy. So you have to be very careful on this.